Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darlene and today I'm going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing for November of 2021. We're going to get right into this. If you follow my channel and you notice that I already posted this video, yes I did. I already done the unboxing, but I noticed that my shirt was see-through and I'm not about that business. I honor God in everything that I do. And I honor my husband, so I deleted that. So here is my redo of the unboxing wearing modest clothing. So I just want to throw out there, if you follow my channel, that's why I'm redoing this boxing. But we're gonna get right into this. I know that I said in my last video, I was really disappointed because BoxyCharm, I got it on the 17th, which was yesterday, and I normally get it on the 10th, but I've had a lot of people like complaining about how late they're getting it. They're getting broken items and stuff, and BoxyCharm is not doing what they used to do, like really, like, you know, they used to be on top of stuff, and it just seems like it's getting worse. My mom unsubscribed, my other sister's about to unsubscribe, so a lot of people are having a lot of issues with this subscription box. I have not unsubscribed or anything yet because I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. For $25 a month, you know, sometimes I get it super late, like at the very end of the month, but I'm still happy when I do receive them, so that's why I'm not unsubscribing yet. I enjoy doing this. So we're gonna get right in this. Okay, so the theme this month is invite only. So it looks like this. And the first thing that's in the box is this jewel right here. And it is by the brand Glow on Fifth Beauty. It is a radiance mud mask, which is awesome. If you know anything about me, I love skincare or anything to do with skin. It's actually my favorite items that I receive out of the boxes is skincare. So I'm always excited to get skincare. So this, it comes with like a little spatula, and this is what the product itself looks like. It's always so hard for me to open these. So it's just like a mud mask like this. It's non-gritty. It's just like a really soft, kind of thin mask. And it has no smell or anything. So I will be using that probably tonight for like a pamper day. So this retails for $30, which is really good. It's a really good price, and like I said, I cannot wait to try this out. So the first thing in the box I love, and you know, I'm not disappointed whatsoever. Second thing that's in the box is this thing right here. This smells so amazing. Like when I unboxed it yesterday, I was like, oh my goodness. So it smells, it has like a lemony, like icing, like sweet cotton candy smell, but it's slightly citrus. So it looks like this. Look how beautiful that is. Like, that is absolutely gorgeous. It is by the brand AMNH, Unicorn Dreams. And it is a whipped body butter. So I'm going to show you. Just kind of go like this. So it's a really thin, it's almost like a thick shea butter. Like, that's how I would describe it. Just a really like kind of greasy, thick moisturizer, which is really good for months like this, like when it starts getting cold or snowy, your skin starts getting really dry and cracky looking, and this will be perfect for that. I believe this retails for $20. I believe that's, yes, so 20 bucks. So really affordable. So if you want to repurchase, it's not going to break the bank. So I was super excited to see that in the box. Like I said, it smells amazing, and I will be putting that in my bathroom for when I get out of the shower so I can just rub it all over myself. The third thing that's in the box, where'd you go? It's this right here, this little tiny box, and it is by TBF, Trust Fund Beauty, Better Than Therapy. It's a lip oil, and this is beautiful. I love the packaging. It matches my ring. And if you don't know, like, I love like green and gold and black, hence my room. Some of my favorite colors right now. I'm always switching back and forth. It's crazy. It used to be like white, black, and gray with a splash of yellow. So this is what the lip oil looks like. It has like little pieces of glitter, like really little pieces of glitter all in it. It's really pretty. And it is not, and it is non-scented. So this is kind of like a, just a kind of sticky lip gloss. Not like extremely sticky. Like there's some lip glosses where you're like, and you just can't lift up your lips. I'm going to keep this by my bed because like yesterday it was super windy, and it gets really windy where I live up in Tehachapi in California, and I'm always making trips down to Bakersfield, and it is so nasty and polluted there that like your skin needs all the help that it can get. So I will be using this. I believe this retails for $18, wasn't it? Yes, $18. So that's not bad at all. I will be keeping this beside my bed so I can wear it at night as a lip, kind of like a lip mask. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this right here. And I absolutely love the packaging on this. It's so beautiful. This is by the brand Milk Dew. No, it's Glow Aces. This is by the brand Glow Aces. This retails for $34. And this is what it looks like. It is like literally milk. It looks like milk, like watered down milk inside of a bottle. I am going to be using this in my W Skin facial machine. This is what it looks like. I think that it's going to work really well in here because it is a radiance, moisturizing toner. And most toners are really drying, which is why it's good for your skin. It kind of just shrinks your pores and stuff and just cleans them out. So if you're using something like this, this is a moisturizing toner, and that machine is actually like, it's supposed to bring moisture to your skin. So I think that it's going to be a great duo, and I cannot wait to have like a little spa day when I get a chance and try this out, just kind of pamper myself. I'll be using all this stuff that I received in this month's box and just have a full-on spa day. The last thing in the box is this right here. It retails for $30. I got the shade Paradise Island Beige. And this is a foundation stick, but it is, what does it say? It's refillable foundation. Blender plus blender in a forever case. So it says plus blender. What does that mean? See, yesterday I didn't even see this. Okay, so it has like a little blender that you can use. And I don't know if I would recommend using a blender forever. I don't know, maybe it comes off. Okay, it does come off. So you can re-buy the blender. And then this is reusable as well. It looks like it's going to be a really good skin match. As you can see, it really looks like my skin, although my hands are whiter than the rest of my body. It really does look like it's going to be a good like foundation. It looks like a really pretty coverage. I will be reviewing this on my channel, so if you guys want to see that review, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I do upload that video. I have so many videos coming, and I'm constantly uploading like multiple times a week. So I really do love the support that I get from all you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It really does mean a lot to me. So that's everything that was in the box. It's 5 items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 items. And this month's box retailed for $132 for the variation I got. I only spent $25. So that is amazing, as always. I got the variation C2111016/BA. So that's what it says at the bottom. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.